morning, everybody. Gonna go on another adventure today. Go pick up something that I'm now 50% owner in. It's gonna be a rescue deal. Sorry, it's been a while on the videos, but there's been a lot of changes going on. Moved the shop around. I'm still not happy with where that stuff is. I think the Bridgeport's gonna go where the lathe is and vice versa. We put in a 12,000 pound 2-post lift. I'm pretty happy with that. That's gonna be a game changer on my end. Been working on the ditch witch here quite extensively. Had to tear the transmission out to do a rear main. You can see why. Found several other things. Center was just about broke out of the clutch disc. Put a new one of them in. New pilot bearing. Be front and rear seals for the transmission. Got a new fork down there. Another new one will go up here. Valve cover seals, stuff like that. Welded the muffler back on. But today, we're gonna pick up some parts for that. But otherwise, we're gonna go work on haying equipment. It's that time of year around here. I'll show you how we got the truck loaded down. We're gonna take the old dump truck today. Got obviously Lincoln welder, gas, auxiliary gas tank, jumper cables, air bomb for setting beads on tires. Sorted hand tools. This toolbox doesn't get too extensive. It's kind of the bare minimum just to get stuff back to the shop. This is all welding stuff. Probably won't need much of that today. That's all right. Got a battery, some fuel line, chain, WD-40, then the tilt deck hooked on the winch. So hoping I can get it dragged back here today. Then do the majority of the work at the shop. I'll show you what I picked up the other day. This is another number 5 sickle mower. Here's my old one. I was comparing them last night. My old one is a manual lift up and down. This one here's got the hydraulic cylinder that I wanted. I'm not so sure that my sickle isn't in better shape than that one, but I think I'm going to replace a bunch of, probably all of these guards actually. That's what I've been told. It's just easier to start out with fresh, but I think I am going to run this mower instead. I got a new tire for the back. This one has a 3-point mount. Well, just the bottom links anyways. And this one you used to bolt to the drawbar. So for ease of hooking it up and unhooking it, that I think we're going to use this one here. But I guess we'll get on the road. Get in, Trudy. Are you ready, Trudy? on. Thanks for helping me drive, Trudy.
At BillionAuto.com.
Damn it!
Ready to look at your egg?
There she is, in all her glory. And it's raining. New Holland hay cruiser, 1282. Get some of this stuff moved and decide if I'm gonna mess with it in the rain or not. All right, we're back down here 2 days later. Stopped raining finally. Grass is soggy still. I had time to pull the fuel pump, carburetor, ignition switch, start switch, all that stuff while I was here last time. I rebuilt the carburetor, and today I would really like to make this thing run and see if I can back it up out of here and maybe get it parked over on the gravel somewhere. So first I'm gonna weed eat around this thing, make myself some room so I'm not laying in the grass. That's a little better. Won't soak my pant legs now in all this tall grass. So I think we'll get ready, put the carb back on. I'm gonna hook up a small fuel tank because this big guy down in here, I can't imagine is in too great a shape. So we'll see what we can do there. And then we're gonna try to get this thing to fire up. Skip the fuel pump, I'll just hang that other tank and gravity feed the carburetor and go from there. All right, let's take a look at what I got going on. Carburetor's back on, air cleaner is not. This fuel line runs up there, around the corner, goes into this, I don't know, 2-gallon jug I got. Shut off valve right there. Put a new choke cable on. Oil pressure gauge. I got an on-off switch because I couldn't find a key switch like I wanted. Batteries hooked up. Took me a second to figure out the firing order. Somebody had it all messed up. 1, 2, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's 4, 3. That's right. Yep. Start from the front, going back. I think we're ready to try to fire it up. See what she does. Either lost spark or fuel. I'm gonna dump some more gas in it here. All right, we've got a little more gas in that tank. Get a little more head pressure down the carburetor. got good fuel down there. Close. Probably sat here for 20 some years. It's missing a little bit, but that can be tuned out of it. Don't look too terrible, actually. Tires all aired up the last time I was down here, so that's a hell of a plus. Out of there, and I'd like to have it in case that starts leaking on the way. You don't know where it hit.
He's hauling ass now. Oh, fell over. He pushes it backwards.
like 200 yards from the house and I ran out of gas. I think we probably did 15 miles or so on that tank.